This from Andhra Pradesh. In Vijayawada, a 20-year-old engineering student brutally murdered at her house by an ex-boyfriend. On Thursday, the accused, identified as Chinnaswamy, sneaked into the victim Divya Tejaswini's house and attacked her. He slit the 20-year-old's throat with a knife before stabbing himself 3 times. The woman's family rushed to the room after they heard screams. They found both of them lying in a pool of blood. While the 20-year-old succumbed to her grievous injuries, the accused is currently undergoing treatment. A video, in fact, shared by the victim on October 3rd on social media reveals that the accused harassed her constantly. She, however, did not register any complaint, fearing that her family would be stigmatized, would be embarrassed by that complaint. The victim also alleged that she broke up with Swamy, who is the accused, but he did not stop harassing and stalking her. The attacker's family, I beg your pardon, at this point has claimed that they both were secretly married. The police is still looking into this case. The investigation is underway.
Coming to this incident, people he's giving a threatening messages and threatening calls for me. I don't know what he wanted from my side. And the bad thing and the thing is that my friend, like, I don't want to mention name, he or she is helping him. I don't know what the hell he or she wants from my side. And my family also knew that. I also said to them that this is what happening, that this is what happening in my life present. And they educated them. And they educated me, and my family stood for me, and they also helped me to realize what I am doing. So with their help, I crossed that hill. I thought that that is the end, because my family also talked with them, and my family gave a clear sentence that my daughter is not going to that hell. Why can't I file a complaint? Because as you all know that I am a female and I'm having insecurities. I was thinking about my family, what will happen to them, like that. Yeah, definitely. If this situation is going too hard, definitely I'll file a complaint against him.
Ashish Pandey is joining us live from Hyderabad with more details on this. Ashish, horrifying details really emerging of this incident. The victim, we just played out her video there, which she put out on social media a few days ago, talking about how she's being stalked, how she's being harassed by this man. And yet nothing was really done, because she also didn't approach the cops filing a complaint, fearing that there'll be a certain amount of stigma surrounding her family.
Yes, Akshita, it's a very sad and tragic story coming out from Vijayawada. Now, government and Vijayawada Police Commissioner has showed a speedy trial and strict action in this case. So this entire incident happened on Thursday morning when the girl was attacked by the accused. Accused also injured himself. He is undergoing treatment. And but this clearly exposed the harassment and the entire stigma, social stigma related to harassment. Family was aware about the incident. This particular attacker is known to the family, and that's why both the families tried having a compromise, but it was too late. On Thursday, this attacker killed this girl, 20-year-old engineering girl. This girl was pursuing her second year of engineering from West Godavari, one of the engineering college of West Godavari, while the accused, he's a painter. He do certain small jobs, and they've been into the relationship. That's what girl also accepted in her video, and the family of the accused has also claimed that both were even secretly married. But the point is that girl doesn't want it to continue the relationship, and he had clearly conveyed her wish to the boy, to the family, and the family also decided that they'll support the girl. But unfortunately, the boy he killed this girl brutally.
All right, Ashish, we'll be tracking the investigation closely on this front, but thank you for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.